Hello students, today we are going to start experiment number 3, that is spirometer. See this instrument. This instrument is called as spirometer. It has 3 legs and this is the tip of the screw. And here there are 2 scales for spirometer. First is main scale and second is circular scale. See here, this strip, on that strip there are readings 0, 1, 2 marked by that pen, and it is called as a main scale. And here this is the second scale called as circular scale. See here, this is starting 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. That means there are total 100 divisions on circular scale. And here we take readings for plane surface and concave and convex surface. These are the instruments required for this practical. This is plane surface from both sides. Then this is called as concave surface. This concave surface, it is the surface that curves inward or it is thinner in the middle of the edges, and this is called as convex surface, and it is similar to the exterior of a circle or a sphere. In ordinary uses, concave and convex are typically used when referring to glass surfaces like the lenses of optical beam equipment. And first we complete the observations. See here, these are the 3 observations. First is pitch of the screw denoted by P, and this pitch of the screw means it is the smallest division on main scale. See here, this is the main scale. On this main scale, in between 0 to 1, there are total 10 divisions. Count this division: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then here we have to calculate the pitch of the screw, that means smallest division on main scale. And see here, in between 0 to 1, there are total 10 divisions. Therefore, this 1 centimeter divided by 10, we get 0.1 centimeter. That means the value of this first division is equals to 0.1 centimeter. Therefore, here we write pitch of the screw is 0.1 centimeter. Then second reading is total number of divisions on circular scale, and it is denoted by capital N. And as we know here, on circular scale there are total 100 divisions, and therefore here we write N is equals to 100. Then third reading is least count of spirometer. Here least count means it is the smallest possible reading of the spirometer. But here there are 2 scales for spirometer. Therefore formula is P upon N. Then we put the values of P and value of P is 0.1. Value of N is 100, and therefore here we get 0.001 centimeter. This is the value of least count of spirometer. And now we start the actual practical. Here this is the observation table for spirometer. Here first surface is taken as plane surface, second is concave, and third is convex. Here these are 3 readings. First column is MSR called as main scale reading. Second is CSD means circular scale division. Third is circular scale reading means circular scale division into least count. Then total reading is equals to MSR, that means main scale reading plus circular scale reading, and after that we find the average of 3 readings. Now we start the practical. First is plane surface. when we have to take readings for plane surface, then place this spirometer on that plane surface, then here first take the precaution as that tip of the screw just touch the surface, and for that here we take a piece of paper. See here we take a piece of paper. See this? Okay. Then here, this is the exactly position of that spirometer, and now we take the readings. Then how to take the readings? For that, here this edge of circular scale, it is just coinciding with this line, and now we take the readings. Here that line is equals to 1.1, that means one division after that 1 centimeter, and therefore our main scale reading is equals to 1.1 centimeter, and therefore here we write 1.1 centimeter. This is main scale reading. Then circular scale reading. See here, this line it match with 20 here, and therefore our circular scale reading is equals to 20, and therefore here we write CSD is 20. Then make calculation. CSR is equals to CSD into least count. CSD is 20. Least count is 0.001, and therefore we get 0.020. This is CSR. Then total reading is MSR plus CSR. Here MSR is 1.1 plus CSR is 0.020. We get the reading 1.120. This is the total reading. And here we take one reading for plane surface. And if we take 2 or 3 readings, then find out the average of that 3 readings. Suppose here that second reading is again equals to 1.120. Third reading is again 1.120. Then here average means the addition of these 3 readings 1.120 plus 1.120 plus 1.120, that total divided by 3, and therefore we get here all these 3 readings are same, therefore our answer is 1.120. This is the average for plane surface. Then we take second is concave surface. See here, this is the concave surface. See this, and here we place that spirometer on concave surface. Then again same procedure. Here rotate that screw. Then second step is that tip of the screw exactly touch to the concave surface. See here, again take that piece of paper. Here it goes on the other side, that means it is not the exact position. Then again move that screw. Then again check. See here, this paper is not goes in another side, that means that tip of the screw is exactly touched to the concave surface, to the middle surface. Then we take reading for concave surface. Then again see here, that surface it is nearer to the 0.9. See here, sorry, it is not 0.9, it is exactly equal to the 1 centimeter. That means this is your main scale reading. Therefore, here we write for concave 1.0. Then we have to find circular scale. See here, this is 0, and here I think third number division coincides with this scale, and therefore our CSD is 3. Therefore CSR is 3 into least count is 0.001, we get 0.003. Then totaling is MSR plus CSR is 1.0 plus 0.003, we get 1.003. This is the reading for concave surface. And here, this is the difference between plane surface and concave surface. Here, as we know that concave surface, it is the surface that curved inward or it is thinner in the middle side, and therefore its reading is less than plane surface. And again here, if we take second or third reading, and suppose that reading is again same 1.003, third reading is again same, and therefore when we find the average for concave surface, its reading is 1.003 because all these readings are same. Then last is convex surface. See here, this is the convex surface, and here we take readings for that convex surface. Here again same procedure. Here we place that spherometer on convex surface. Again just touch that tip of the screw to the surface, but here it is on the inner side. Again check that. Here we take piece of paper. See here, it only touches to the tip of the screw. That means the position is exact. And now we take reading for that. See here, this surface, it is nearer to the 1.8. It is nearer to 1.8, therefore main scale reading is 1.8. And here we find circular scale reading is, it is 33. And therefore here we write 33, we get 33 into 0.001, 0.033. Main scale reading is 1.8 plus 0.033, we get 1.833. Again here these are three readings because spherometer is same and that surface is also same, and therefore we get the average 1.833. This is all about spherometer. Thank you.